decision to give importance to the senior leaders. He has pointed out the clubs are not sending activities reports to publish in the worker bulletin in time. PIP Worker K. Ramanandam spoke on overall activities of WA President and has complimented on publication of bulletin the worker with activities and information. He has suggested for publishing the names of the clubs and affiliation fees district-wise in the bulletin that has been taken up. He has also suggested that those clubs who have paid affiliation fee on or before June should be considered as active clubs. Later on, clubs must pay rupees 800 to become active club and also to publish list of eligible clubs in the bulletin. WA past international president Walker V. Nagabhushanam Garu spoke about vigorous working of international president Walker Dr. E. J. Rao and complimented for his efforts and work. Walker Dr. E. P. Rao told about per capita dues for each member should be adopted in this organization and he complimented the efforts taken up by Walker Dr. E. J. Rao. WA past president, there is a small correction here. WA past president Walker Dr. M. V. Rao also spoke on international activities and expressed happiness for enrolling more MGFs in the current year. WA president announced that Walker Vijay Lakshmi from Snehita Walkers Club Hyderabad and Walker E. Amaravati from Ladies Walkers Club Berhampur have accepted to enroll as major donors in this year and the same was confirmed with the donors. Walker GDV Prasad DZ202 handed over checks for 5 MGFs to WA President and Walker T. Hanumantrao has enrolled as 1000th MGF in that meeting. Walker K. Ramanandam PIP has announced that Walker Rajgopal Reddy Hyderabad has donated 500 yards land for Walkers International Bhavan to be constructed at Hyderabad. It has been suggested that districts 101, 102, 201 to 301 should be divided in the consultation with the local clubs and other leaders. That will be taken up by the WA past presidents in their meeting. Walker T. Hanumantrao AVP 2 announced that 114th council meeting of WA will be held at Vijayawada on last Sunday of September, that is 27/9/2015, for which we are here today. The council has decided to select best district governor with the criteria of enrolling more MGFs, new clubs and revival of sick clubs and reporting in time. Under the DG's report, Walker SP Ravindra DG101 spoke about activities in this district and promised to enroll 15 more MGFs during this year. He has also informed about installation of district website as early as possible. Walker D. Indira Prasad Rao DG102 spoke about fire accident near Srikakulam and victims have been helped by the Walkers Club. Also informed that 3 new clubs have been started. He has promised to enroll more MGFs during this year. Walker SPR Krishnarjan Rao DG103 spoke about district activities. His district has enrolled so far 4 MGFs and started 4 new clubs. He has promised to give services to workers who visit Godavari Pushkaralam, which has been done by him. Walker Shashibhushan Swai DZ104 has presented the activities report and informed that his district has enrolled 12 MGFs and 1 new club started in his district. He has promised to enroll more MGFs and new clubs during this year. Walker V. Narayan Rao DZ105 foreign clubs informed that 2 more new clubs, active clubs have been enrolled and 5 clubs are under the proposal to start. Walker K. Basavai Naidu DC201 spoke about district activities, new clubs, promised to enroll 1000 MGF during this year, 100 MGF during this year. He has also informed about Walker's building and extended invitation to Godavari Pushkaralam. Walker GDV Prasad Rao DC202 submitted his report briefly. He has enrolled 133 MGF so far and promised to complete 150 MGF during this year. He told about the 100 MGF celebration function and promised to start more new clubs and 44 affiliation fees paid by the clubs. And Walker Karunashri informed about eye donation